As this is Dr. Senthil Kumar, Associate Professor, the Department of EEE, SNS College of Technology. This is the course video whose subject is 23WT104 Analog Electronic Circuits, where we are sailing in multi-junction devices unit 2, and we are here to discuss about JFET, junction field effect transistor. The phenomenon of modulating the conductance of a semiconductor. The phenomenon of modulating the conductance. You mean the conductance has been changed in a semiconductor by applying an electric field. The conductance may be modulated by applying an electric field is called field effect. Right? We have already discussed about BJT, bipolar junction transistor, and MOSFET. The disadvantage of bipolar junction transistor is it is a bipolar junction device. You mean the conduction is due to both the majorities and the minority carriers. Therefore, it creates noise, more noise. Similarly, the low input impedance is also another disadvantage of BJT, whereas these two disadvantages can be overcome with the help of FET, field effect transistor. This is another transistor device which is particularly utilized for switching devices, whereas here the field effect transistor is a unipolar device, hence the noise is less. See the structure on the symbol. The structure shown here, the structure, again there may be two types, depends on the majority semiconductors. One may be N and another may be P. The color green represents the P type and the color pink or violet represents N type. Therefore, only two layers is there. One is N, another one is P, and only one junction comes into picture, whereas the gate terminal, look this symbol for bipolar junction transistor and a JFET. For a BJT, the three terminals is named as base, collector and emitter, whereas for a JFET, the source and drain are the two terminals, where the source may be the current entering path and the drain may be the output terminal, possibly for a majority carriers, and the gate will act as a throttle. A water tap. In a water tap, the throttle is in the top. The top will act as a gate. If the throttle or gate voltage is applied in a throttle, then there may be a flow of current from source to drain. If the gate voltage or the throttle is bigger, then there is a large amount of current forced from source to drain. If the throttle is lesser, the gate voltage is lesser, then there may be a small flow of current from source to drain. I am discussing a water tap with the JFET, whereas the throttle is nothing but the gate voltage. Therefore, the gate voltage or the gate potential decides how much the current has to be flow from source to drain. This is a field effect of a transistor. Therefore, it is named as field effect transistor. Since only one junction is there, it is a junction field effect transistor. It may be P or N type. The symbol and the construction is shown here. The gate terminal is divided into two, since two P type is there in an N channel. The center portion of the N type structure is named as gate. The center portion of the N type structure is named as gate. As now let me see the next, the structure. The structure or the construction of a JFET is clearly shown here. The structure, as this is the center is n-type channel, n-type structure, where a p-type material is diffused both the sides and the gate terminal is taken outside. The supply voltage for the gate is VGG, and the terminal and the source voltage is named as VDS or something. The operation and the construction, let me see. The analogy of the operation is discussed here. Let me see the VI characteristics in the next video series. Thank you.